If you watched our last video, you would have known that we've just been to Bangkok for a mad 24 hours. But for now, let's chill and explore Thailand. Where are we going, guys?
We're going to Buriram.
We took a 40-minute flight from Bangkok to Buriram and the weather was hot.
Feel that heat, Jesus. Woo! We arrived in Buriram with my brother and his wife to meet with my parents as well as my sister and her partner. All to celebrate my dad's 80th birthday.
Woo!
Woo! If you don't know much about Buriram, this is a city that's getting quite popular in Thailand. One thing it's famous for is the Chang International Circuit, where they host a lot of motorsport events, and as well next to that they have the Buriram Football Club's stadium. In this video we'll also be showing you around some cultural spots, as well as showing you some very interesting, risque gardens.
But first things first, let's show you around the room. Let's go! Welcome to Buriram, Thailand. Come in. So we are staying at the Ray Hotel, Buriram. I'm not actually sure what's in this bag. Should we have a look?
I think it's a hairdryer.
And that would be correct. It's a Ray Hotel hairdryer. Ding ding ding. So as you turn in, as you walk in, we've just got a little one-bedroom studio type of room. Here is a quick look. Oh, let's just do the room key. If you come in here, we have got our bathroom. It's basically one of those where the whole room is a shower room, a wet room. And then, as we go in here, nice, clean, we've got a nice double, no, I'd say a king bed. This is quite a large bed. Some fresh towels, a nice desk, a little tea, coffee station, kettle, and then out here, I'll show you our view. If you want to walk through there, we've got a lovely, God, the heat really gets you. It's 38 degrees at the moment. And we've got a lovely wildlife view.
They're all gone.
So about 5 minutes ago, this was completely filled with goats on this side, dogs on this side, and geese in the background. And this has just been a lovely place to look through the window, because I feel like, when do you ever get a view of like a farm, really? It's just nice to wake up to a bit of wildlife, birds singing in the trees. Especially when you live in a high rise, it is quite the contrast. And now we're gonna escape the heat. Oh, lovely aircon. Welcome to Buriram, baby.
Oh, you should do that better properly.
Welcome to Buriram, baby.
Hey, Kes, where are we?
We are at Buriram Castle.
Cool thing about this place is there's what's also here.
Coffee, McDonald's. What?
No, there is also what is apparently an erotic garden.
Oh, is this here?
Yeah, so we're gonna have a look. We'll have a walk around the garden, see
Oh wow, that's pretty.
see if there is any erotica, or if it's just a run-of-the-mill garden, but we'll see.
Oh, it looks beautiful already. So what we're about to explore is an imitation of Phanam Rung Temple, which is Buriram's big castle. You could say this is like the mini version. This is a replica. It's based right next to Chang International Circuit and amongst shopping centres actually. But you wouldn't believe it because the detail in this place is insane. Definitely worth a visit if you're nearby. And if you come at the right time, you might be lucky enough to stumble across what I did. We've got some influencers in the wild.
Oh yeah, influencers in the wild. Oh wow, you can hear the ghosts screaming in the background. Yeah, there's a lot of them. Bloody hell. Lucky boy.
That's a big one. Show me. Thunder on us. Oh, jeez.
Stop looking.
What's 69 in Thai?
Translation coming up.
Birth of a son to be a politician.
Oh.
That's way up in there. Oh my god. Fat.
God, they look pretty bored though. He's like, oh, and he's doing salt bay on top.
Oh yeah.
He's like,
Priming her up. Way down her tonsil.
Oh my god.
It is said that daughters are fine, sons are fine, husband is in love.
I'm in love. Give me a DJ.
Oh, this is the wheelbarrow. Gave birth to a farmer. Farmer.
Oh, well, that makes sense
like
with
a
the wheelbarrow.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That makes sense. Oh.
Oh.
Looks like she's having a shit.
Massive ball. There's only one.
Birth of a child that is a doctor treating people.
Oh.
Oh, maybe that's the baby's head.
It is said that together played a love song. Oh, it's like an instrument. Will give birth to a beloved child as a musician. Oh. Okay, that's it.
This must be where you test it out. It is 35 degrees. We're under an umbrella. And this is what we're tackling.
Oh my god, it does get quite steep. Well, these are long steps.
We're here with
2,
Gaz's
3.
family.
4.
We are at Khao Kradong Park.
Yes.
And I think there's 300 steps. It's
300
like
steps up to
297,
Yeah.
I think. And we're probably about 50 in.
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. They're getting a bit steeper now.
Oh, look, can you hear that?
Yeah, it's like a rattlesnake.
Yeah. We're walking up here with Gaz's brother and his wife behind us.
Yes.
And then his dad and his mum.
Oh, he's doing it.
Your mum's here as well. My heart's going, but it's not like
It's like stems.
unbearable. Yeah. Yeah.
Legs.
Yeah.
Come on, people. Halfway, I think.
You like Mary Poppins?
This is the spinning. That's really good.
Last stretch. Woo!
Last one to the top, the loser.
A rotten egg.
Yeah. There we go, man. Smile.
So glamorous. Yeah, I think it's got it. It's definitely burning.
Oh, is that too much?
If the joystick light is okay, the candle,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you put the paper, okay.
Yeah, I've got the.
Good.
Yeah.
You can stand there. You don't need to sit. You stand there, and you make a wish,
Like a whip.
and you
Oh.
put there, and the gold paper you put in the small Buddha there.
Oh,
Okay.
in the small bit. Okay.
Oh.
Make a wish.
Yeah. Oh, hot. Hot, hot, hot.
And the paper you stick in there, wherever you want.
Oh,
This
wow.
body.
Okay, I've got it there. Oh, how do I do it? To stick.
And put on your forehead.
On my forehead. Oh.
It means that you've been there, done that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, like that.
Oh, very nice.
Stick on your finger and put on your forehead.
There you go.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Ah. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It's very cool, isn't it?
Only rainy season got water. This one summer is very dry.
Dormant volcano. Kradong volcano. Oh! It's like being at Alton Towers. Hey guys, look behind you. Kansas. Do you recognise it?
Oh, it's
Patagonia.
For international race.
I don't really know anything about race car track. It's a big track, I know that much.
Yeah, well, we're not there yet.
Oh, is this not the track?
No, this is the outside.
park?
Yeah, this is the car.
This is the racetrack. Okay. This looks more like a racetrack than the car park.
Yeah.
How many steps is it this time? How many steps is it this time? Okay, live from Chang International Circuit. Look at all those arms! Where are we, Gaz?
Buriram United.
United.
lad.
So, Gaz has been shopping in Buriram United. He's got a third shirt and a home one. He'll have to give us a haul when we get in. Now we're trying to get a...
Oh my god, they got loads of stuff.
Oh wow! Now we're trying to get a cold drink because it's boiling.
Oh my god.
Oh, what are the healthy ones? Oh my god!
Matcha latte.
Oh no! Ugh. Oh.
So good.
Pink Oreo. Wait, look at that one. Wait, where were we? It's called like Daddy, Blue Daddy.
That Ovaltine smoothie. Oh my god, iced American soda.
Oh wow! Should we go for?
Oh, you can get these cold though. Look, you
Sorry.
can get these iced.
Oh yeah. A melon cafe latte.
Look at that, blueberry and floral. Blueberry orange.
Almost dirty. Oh, look at that. What about the Oreos? The Oreo one? Yeah?
Yeah?
Can we go for the, because then we know it's a safe bet then. Yeah?
Yeah?
We can always get coffee after. Sweetness level, perfect.
Yeah, I do perfect.
I want-
Yeah, you want.
I only want both.
So how much did they charge you for a milkshake?
55 baht. So
£55.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
£1.
just over a pound,
Yeah.
£1.30. Tells you how long you've got to wait as well.
That's good, that.
66 seconds. Adding the ice.
Oh, wait.
Pull the cup straight out.
There you go.
Yeah, pull the cup straight out.
Hey.
Oh.
Looks like you need to mix it a little bit.
Oh, it looks pretty disgusting.
Yeah.
It's like soil, isn't it?
Oh, I see.
Oh, it's Oreo.
Okay. Oh, it's quite watery.
Yeah.
Maybe is it just milkshake? Should be, isn't it?
It is just
Oh
a
yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, there we go. Now it looks more.
Oh, you got
like
no
Oreo.
lid.
Oh wow.
Oh, we
try?
did.
Oh.
You want to try it? Oh, your lid's there.
Yeah.
You didn't get it out when it was open.
I'm struggling to fit it up the straw now.
You just have to drink it.
Besides that, it's really nice.
Mm.
You wouldn't know that came from a machine. Like it doesn't taste any worse. Or...
Is it cold?
Mm. It's a little bit icy as well. Oh, there we go.
Oh. That's lovely.
That is good, isn't
So
it?
it's ice cold though.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so good.
And we ended the day off by visiting the food court and eating some good Thai food. Whew.
And talking of food, make sure to stick around for part 2, where we'll be visiting the night street markets and celebrating a big 80th birthday. You don't want to miss it.